Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a pie chart in Figma. First, select the ellipse tool and draw a perfect circle on your canvas. Hold Shift while dragging to ensure it is perfectly round. Next, locate the arc section in the right-hand panel. You will see three controls: Sweep, Start, and Ratio. We will primarily use Sweep and Ratio to form our pie slices. Now, let's create individual segments for your data. Duplicate your first pie slice by pressing Command or Control-D. For each new slice, adjust its sweep and start angles. The start angle determines where the slice begins, and sweep defines its size. For example, a 25% slice would have a 90-degree sweep. Repeat this process until all your data points are represented as distinct slices. With your segments in place, it is time to add data and style your chart. Select each slice and apply a unique, contrasting color from the Fill panel. Then, use the Text tool to add labels for each segment, indicating its category and percentage. Position these labels clearly, perhaps slightly outside the pie or within the slices themselves. Aim for a clean, professional look that effectively communicates your data. To finalize your pie chart, group all the layers together for better organization. This includes all slices and text labels. If you have more than 4 or 5 segments, consider adding a clear legend to explain what each color represents. Finally, export your beautiful pie chart. You can choose formats like PNG for web use or SVG for scalable vector graphics, ensuring your chart looks crisp everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.